Hello, Henking Hogs. It's Mrs. Puds
And Miss Ellis.
and today we are going to stuff our time capsule. Mrs. Ellis, can you show everyone our time capsule?
Yeah, this is our time capsule. Henking School time capsule.
We're going to dig it somewhere in the building, and in 50 years, we are going to dig it back up.
And see what's in it. Mrs. Puds is adding to it today.
I will be adding our Henking Elementary Principal School Books. So all of your pictures will be in the time capsule.
So cool, Mrs. Puds.
You ready, Miss Ellis?
Yeah. Hi everybody, I'm Miss Rule. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at Henking School. I am very lucky to be able to represent some teachers in putting items into our time capsule. One of the items I included was a map of our new construction. We are so excited to have full-day kindergarten coming next year, and this is a map of what our school will look like at that point. I also included our Henking School song. It's one of our favorite things that our students learn at Henking School. They sing it in music and all the time in the classrooms. So we're really excited to include that. And our last item is our special Henking symbol that shows all of the languages that are spoken at Henking School. We are so lucky that we have so much diversity and many languages included in our school, and this is just a symbol of that. I'm going to roll it up and stick it in.
Hello, my name is Joanna Rios. Been at Henkins now for a little over a year, and I'm honored to be selected to put some items in the time capsule. So yeah, I have a letter that I wrote, and just telling you a little bit about what's going on this year in the world, and yeah, and letting you know that I'll be 50 years old next month. So by the time you open this time capsule, the class of 2072, by that time I'll be 100 years old. So that's what I sort of put in the letter, and some things that are important about this year. And I have some pictures. We did celebrate it 22 special, I guess, year. And I have some pictures here about some students from the school and sticky notes that they wrote themselves. So, and some pictures of me and my family. And we have a lanyard, and I'm going to be putting that in there as well. And yeah, so hopefully, yeah, you'll be interested in knowing a little bit more about what, who we are in this year.
Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm in 2nd grade, and I brought a puppet and a Juju Siwa mask. There. I was pretending I was 57 when I wrote it. Hi kids, I'm 57, but I made this when I was 7. These things are a puppet and a Jojo Siwa mask. Love, Lydia Casey. Okay.
Hi, it's 2022. I'm Tommy Beret, and I'm in 2nd grade. Nintendo Switches, iPhone 13s, and iPads are out. The Rams won the Super Bowl. Tom Brady retired and then unretired. The Winter Olympics were in China. Henking is having construction. Kansas won the college basketball championship. Some people at school aren't wearing masks. Some people are wearing masks.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm in 1st grade. My favorite animal is a dog, and my favorite movie is Pokemon. I brought a class picture. Isabella Weiser. Miss Kim is my kindergarten teacher. I love choice time. This is my mess from Henking. This is my family.
Okay, Hanking Hogs, see you in 50 years.